你们好 Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We'll provide you free Chinese language courses. In today's lesson, we'll talk about dates and weekdays. Monday, Tuesday, and go on. Now, let's keep watching. Before we get started, let's quickly review the numbers. 1 to 10. 1, 2. Yes. Now 20. 20, 26. 26. Yes. And 30? 30. Yes, 很好. 34. 34. Exactly. Very easy, huh? You still remember that. Now, let's move on to part 1, the new words. Everybody, please look at the screen and read after me. First one, may I ask? 请问. 请问. 请 means please. 问 means ask. So, may I ask? 请问. Number 2, today. 今天非常好。今天 Number for the date of the month. 号 or 日 month. 月 week. 星期 and yesterday. 昨天 tomorrow. 明天 and the last one, how many? We have learned that it's usually used for the numbers under 10. 几 correct. For example, when we ask kids age, we say 你今年几岁了? Remember that? Okay, now the 12th month of a year. January 1月 February 2月 March 3月 You have noticed it's just a number plus the word month. 月 Very easy. Now, April 4月 You count to December, right? And the date, for example, the first 1号 and the second 2号 the third 3号 You still have noticed that the number plus the word 号 Yes, 非常好 And the weekdays, for example, Monday 星期一 Tuesday 星期二 Wednesday 星期三 Now, what does 星期 mean? Week. Now, Monday 星期一 Oh, it's the first day of a week. That's why it's Monday, right? 星期一 Now, what's Sunday? It's not what you were thinking. Now, pay attention. Sunday is a little bit special. It's 星期日 or 星期天 Again, 星期日 星期天 Let's just pay a little more attention on Sunday, okay? Quick test, January the 1st. Okay, before you know, I have to tell something. In Chinese, when we talk about time or place, we go from big to small. So, year, month, date, in that order. In this case, it would be January 1st, 1月1号 1月1号 And this one? Yes, 5月15号 And move on, this one? 11月29号 很好 Thursday. Yes, and Saturday? Yes, Sunday. 星期日 or 星期天非常好 Part 2, the phrases. How to ask the dates. For example, what's the date today? In Chinese? Follow me. or you can try by yourself first. 请问今天几号 or 今天是几号 May I ask, what's the date today? Again, 请问今天几号 or 今天是几号 To answer, we say 今天5月13号 or with the word 是今天 Yes. And tomorrow? How to ask the date of tomorrow? Easy. We replace the word. 明天是几号 Yes. 明天是几号 And the answer is exactly the same. So, 明天是5月14号 Very easy, huh? Now how to ask the days of a week? Like this. 今天星期几 And the answer? 今天星期六 Easy, easy. Usually when we ask about dates, for example, yesterday, what was the date yesterday? 昨天是几月几号 We combine the date and the week together, like this. 昨天8月9号星期四 Yes, we combine together to give more specific information. And tomorrow, 明天呢 明天呢 From this conversation, how to answer that? Okay, quick test. At the table, look at the table, please. 今天几月几号星期几 Yes, 今天8月23号星期六昨天呢 Yes, exactly. 明天呢 Yes, 非常好 Now we know how to ask dates and the weekdays. Quickly summarize this. To ask what's the day today, we have these expressions. 今天几号今天几月几号 or 今天是几号 And the answer can be very easy. Difference is with or without 是 Both correct. And to ask the weekdays, 今天星期几 Answer, 今天星期一今天星期二 Okay, easy, easy. Now, 生日 means birthday. My birthday is 我的生日 My question is, how to describe the date of your birthday? You think about that. I'll tell you next time. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe our channel. And our next course, we will talk about skills. For example, I can speak Chinese, I can cook, I can this, I can that. Okay, hope to see you there. Okay, 再见. Thank you.